Today we're at the Gladstone Library and we're here as part of a social enterprise venture. This filming's part of it. Little tips and techniques that we can use ourselves about how to improve lighting and sound to promote our social enterprises. We are a registered social landlord across North Wales.
Good morning, Claire Ann Housenway speaking.
But we do lots of different community initiatives, including a community cafe called the Old Courthouse Cafe in Flint.
At Kim Inspire, we specialise in gender-specific mental health. My role there is men's mental health. I've been learning a little bit about video making, which is going to be handy for my work in the mental health charity.
I think we're really lucky in Flintshire because we have great local authority and lots of support in the area, and we have some really, really strong businesses. I know the third sector is sometimes a little bit misunderstood in terms of business, but we're all businesses that want to make a profit. It's what we do with that profit that's the difference, and all of us as a collective, we reinvest what we do straight back into the people that need it the most.
The social enterprises they trade in goods, they trade in services. It's a misconception that social enterprise is cheap and cheerful. What social enterprises trade on is quality and knowledge of their product or their services.
We have an organisation called Care Repair North East Wales, which helps older and vulnerable people remain in their own homes, and we do various activities from improving that home, from heating to adaptations to renovations of the home. We also have a property company who does those repairs. And then we have a building called Place for You, which is our latest one, which is about developing that site with 35 acres of ground into a community space for lots of social enterprises to use that space.
My name's Kat, I'm a Deputy Manager over at Dangerpoint. Dangerpoint is a safety education centre for children and young people primarily, but we cover all ages as well, and we look at everyday situations that we could come across and learn about the dangers and what we could do to keep ourselves safe in those scenarios. I personally feel really proud to work for a social enterprise because what we do makes a genuine difference in the community.
Our role as a county council is to enable, where we can, to develop social enterprises. So we enable them to start up in business, learn about business, manage their books, networking, and any other aspects of their specific business they require.
We have to function like any other business despite the fact that we are a social enterprise, a not-for-profit organisation, and any surplus that we generate is always invested back into the service. It's about bringing the community together, so whether that's a knit and natter group where a group of people come and knit and sit in the library and have a panad and enjoy, or whether it's a group of children that are coming in for a rhyme time session with their parents.
So Danny said,
where they can listen to songs and rhymes bilingually and enjoy and have the musical instruments, or maybe have a story time session. So from the very young to the very old, we try to make sure that everybody can benefit from their library service, and likewise with the leisure services as well. I think I'm really proud of how we are providing a service that really focuses on benefiting people's well-being.
We run a project called Digging D-Side, which is a gardening social project, and that supports some of the most marginalised members of the community. And we also run an arty folk and friendship group, which is more based around arts and crafts. We also run sessions from time to time, training sessions and information sessions. So today we were with a lovely group giving us lots of valuable information on how to cope with family members, partners that are living with dementia. I believe we do add a huge amount of value to the community. We're offering free at point of delivery services to people that are most needing the support. I'm working with some pretty national organisations, people like MenCat, Mind, social services at the council refer to us as well.
I think social enterprises are very important because they have the ability to really impact positively on the community's lives.
I'm extremely proud, of social enterprise. I really believe in that business model, and for me, this is the best job I could have, is to support social enterprise.
It's got to be positive. It's growing exponentially year by year, and you grow the economy in every different facet you can. Flintshire will always be there for them.
Being able to do things out of the box, being able to be nimble and actually support people in the way they need to be supported is what really counts.
I can't really put it into words. Some people like to have Ferraris on the driveway. I like to help people. This is what brings me joy. I want to do the stuff in my life that makes me smile,
The people at the forefront of running social enterprises are just an incredible team of individuals that are very, very passionate and really want to be there for others, and that's the big message for me. The personal rewards that I gain every day from being a part of a social enterprise are incredible, and it is the best job in the world.